So I wanted to make a quick video to show you my typewriter that I got for Project Life, and I'm currently using it right now. I had to figure out how to use it, and I still haven't read the manual, which I probably should do, and I will do, but so far, so good. This is a close-up of what I've been doing on it, so you guys can kind of see the effect it did. The first one looks like this, so it kind of has, kind of messed up on it, but I'm alright with that just because of the fact that it's not supposed to be perfect, and it's a typewriter and it's got a vintage feel, so it's okay if you make some mistakes. I am going to be doing a video tutorial on how to use a typewriter for anyone who decides to get one and wants just a little info on it once I learn how to use mine a little bit better. But so far, this is my typewriter. It's, I believe, from the 1970s or the 1980s, and that's my dog sneezing. Incredibly loud. And anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that because that's something I've been doing, and I'm going to have a haul for you guys soon. And I kind of want to show you me using the typewriter in action, so I'm going to see if I can do that while I hold the camera because this is not my usual camera. So let's see. Okay, so you guys can see it there. So yeah, there you have it. And obviously the harder you hit the keys, the more of an impression you're going to get. So I purposely, at some points when I was typing this up, didn't go full on with it because I wanted to have some that were more indented than others. Sorry if you guys don't get a great close-up on that. This is my iPad camera. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I hope you guys like this video.